Okay, time to take a look at the Coffee Gator stainless steel coffee canister. There we go. So this one looks like a very dark gray, almost a black. So this is a beautiful look. I love the way that this thing actually looks. So we got plenty of room in here. And the main reason I wanted this one is because I got another one and it's very nice, but I wanted something I could fit an entire 1 pound bag of coffee beans in. This is the one that I should have got the first time. This is the correct size. Now we can see on the lid, we do have this nice rubber lip on here that's going to help to make sure that everything is sealed. But more importantly, we have this one-way valve. Now that's important. What you might notice on a lot of bags is they're going to have this little breather vent. And the reason they do that is because coffee beans naturally produce carbon dioxide. You need to have a way for that to escape. So with this valve, this can provide a way for the carbon dioxide to escape, but it's also going to prevent the oxygen from coming in and making those beans stale. And on top of that, this is a partially used bag, but you can tell just by looking at it, even if this thing was full, this would be able to hold the contents of this bag, no problem. Yep. Easy mode. Very luxurious looking at that. So, we'll keep these beans sealed. Keep them fresh, keep them from getting stale. So if you want to, you can use this. This will help you to determine when you put your coffee beans in. And then we got a little arrow right here for the month. So you know exactly how old those coffee beans are. For me, that's not gonna be a problem because I go through coffee beans like a crazy person. But for most people, this is a very nice feature to have. So in the box, I also found this. They got this little scoop. So it's a 1/8 cup. So that's pretty cool. So we can dump that in there with the beans. And we also got these. So these are replacement filters. So it's very cool to have that. That's gonna make this last even longer. So overall, that is a very nice container.